Oh, hey, today I'm going to show you a method for website owners to provide income support for purchasing clicks and hits, designing click funnels, working around backlinks for the eventual goal of earning money on your website through your primary means of purchase fulfillment, plus income support from Bitcoin Office and GlobalScape services. Just going to fire up Chrome here. At the moment, I'm mining with Bitcoin Office using grid seeds. For grid seeds, XMR high difficulty gets maybe a share every 3 minutes. Using multiplicity individualism in the grid seeds. And my stock is full, so I'm going to withdraw. Here we go then. Bitcoin Office. Coin window. And here you can see fast track, web install, multiply income on autopilot. Very handy. For the Monero miner, fast track web install installs a row script from the GlobalScape services, runs a row script on your website, starts the miner, then the money pours in. With 100 users all the time, every day, all day long, on your website, you would earn enough money to live on. But with 1,000 users, that's 10 times more, so you're getting the extra digit. 100,000 users, the ideas really flowing about how to advertise your miner site. So here we have the link page for XMR. Still on the coin page. Takes a while to load because of all the shares I'm getting. At Bitcoin Office, the shares are paid at a rate of each to the -5.7, I think, which is pretty good. For a share involved access portal, instead of gathering hashes without multiplicity, meaning total computer power is all that can be absolved, the multiplicity system means the shares coming in are eventually, each miner is going to find a share eventually. So the time it takes to come up towards the share, find the share, bing, woo-ha, gets shorter and shorter, or is eventually going to find a share anyway, so it doesn't matter. Ideas about how to advertise your website, then earn you money through the mining system. Small Monero grid seed you can run on server unit to also VMs also help bring in more coin for your particular coin mining adventure. So personally, my stock's full. I've already checked out XMR and one of Eon, and I'm very happy. My website gets maybe 10 hits a day, and mine's in and I'm advertising to make more backlinks so I get more users through to my website and I mine more. The result being, effectively, once my network is 100% solid, I'll be rolling in Bitcoin. I hope so, anyway. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the success in the world. Thank you. Bye-bye.